You just can't pin down Elizabeth Shatner under one label. She's a well-known and accomplished professional horsewoman, philanthropist, a celebrated photographic artist, and she's married to a worldwide icon, no less, actor William Shatner. With strong, long-standing equine ties to Lexington and the bluegrass, Elizabeth is in town this weekend as the spotlight artist for the UK Art Museum's annual Art in Bloom exhibit and fundraiser.
I was so honored when the museum contacted me to be their signature artist, although I didn't really know what signature artist of this event meant. So I started to learn, and I became more excited as it neared.
We had known about her work for a couple of years. We had seen it at a gallery hop, and when we were looking, we wanted to have a photographer this year because our featured exhibition is a photography exhibition, and we thought Elizabeth's work really spoke to the event and also to the nature of photography.
You can post and share your interactive experience with Elizabeth's art to her website as a collaboration of her original vision with your interpretation on it.
So I had the idea to project this piece into a space, and much like I placed the bloom in the light, refracted light of the sun through the crystal vase, I want to invite people to step into the light that was once sunlight, now refracted on the wall. This museum is so progressive in its courage to even accept digital art as part of its photography exhibit, and to be open enough to experiment with this interactive exhibit. So to be part of that, and to be part of that here in one of my favorite communities, Lexington, is a big honor, and I so appreciate it.
You can take in Elizabeth Shatner's artistry at the Art in Bloom exhibit, Sunday from noon to 5. Reporting from the Art Museum at University of Kentucky, Doug High, ABC 36 News.